Responding to emergency events is a crucial function of public safety agencies in today's world. Thankfully, new software solutions have emerged that can aid in preparing and responding to critical threats. Athena Incident Command and Control software is an in-field command operations application that integrates seamlessly with Athena computer-aided dispatch and mobile devices, ensuring agencies can manage resources effectively during any events. Athena Incident Command empowers agencies by allowing them to assign personnel to preloaded scenario templates, enhancing their awareness of the situation. Its capabilities offer instant access to building floor plans, evacuation strategies, and real-time surveillance camera feeds. This ensures that all members of the emergency response effort maintain a comprehensive view of the scene throughout the operation. The software not only facilitates efficient unit status monitoring and direct entry incident logs for real-time updates, but also simplifies reporting and after-action reviews, significantly reducing administrative burdens. It even exports FEMA reports for headache-free submissions from natural disasters. As Athena software continues to refine the collaboration between technology and human expertise, it paves the way for a future where enhanced safety and preparedness are within reach for communities everywhere.